This is
Grandstand Gossip, from the grandstand to the group chat.
Episode 2!
Welcome back, ladies!
May budget for episode 2.
I know! We're back! Akalain mo.
The setup na to.
Correct! Yay!
Major
Great
upgrades.
clapping kami!
Maraming upgrades.
Yes!
Naaral lang episode 1.
So, anong pag-uusapan natin this episode, ladies?
So we're
More
back.
on chika.
We're back from the summer break. First double header since the summer break.
Okay, so this is race 15.
Race 15 and we're in Zandvoort,
That's in
Netherlands.
Netherlands.
Before the race, any updates? What are
Naku,
what are
maraming
the,
chika. Maraming chika
the
from
drivers
their
were up to during the
summer.
break?
Anong mga ganap pala nila?
Ayun, naglabasan sila ng mga yate nila. Everyone's in their yacht. Tapos, nilabas sila yung mga jowa nila.
Oh,
and
puro mga
everything.
picture ng jowa, ng yacht. They're all
Yes.
tanned.
Oh, well.
Yes, they're all tanned.
So,
and
ako, favorite ko si Alexandra.
Kanino
Charles.
ba? Sinong
Charles'
boyfriend?
girlfriend.
girlfriend ni
So,
Charles.
siya yung
Bakit
parang
sila
ano
Alex
siya ngayon eh.
Ferguson?
Parang influencer of the year. of the year agad.
Inawardan mo.
Inawardan ko na siya. Okay.
Ay, nakita
so yun
ko
na.
yata yan.
Sweet-sweetan sila.
Oo.
Sweet-sweetan
Oo,
sila.
pina-follow yan ng NGV.
SGV.
Oo, nakita ko yata. I mean,
Wow.
let me confirm that later.
And ayun, tapos para kasing marami na siyang endorsement with Rode and alam niyo ba yung Rode, guys?
As in,
Question mark.
Hailey
ROAD.
Bieber.
Hailey
Hailey
Bieber.
Bieber.
Makeup.
Di ba binenta niya na yun? Ibang topic.
Okay, ibang topic yun. Tapos, marami na rin yung mga Aussie brands na tinatap siya. So, Meshki, guys. Kayo na lang
There
kaya
you
kausapin
go.
ko, guys.
Alexandra?
Si
Alexandra Saint
Ano siya? Italian ba siya? Hindi siya Italian-French? Ano ba siya?
Hindi ko sure. Parang,
Lagyan natin.
Okay. Hindi ko sure.
Next-
hindi ko
next
sure
ano
ang
natin?
background.
So
Ano
siya
yung
ang,
sino mga wag?
ang spotlight ng wag natin.
Oo.
Correct.
So,
Charles' girlfriend.
yes.
Hindi pa
Partner
fiancé
na.
or partner na.
Isip ko ano kayang mangyayari. Dahil super sikat niya na ngayon.
Ah.
Yeah.
Pero kasi si Charles serial boyfriend siya.
What does that mean?
Bago to, kaka-break niya lang dun sa matagal niya ring girlfriend. Parang,
Oh,
Ay,
so
nagka
ilang
3 years,
months lang
3
sila?
years siya.
ano na sila?
Long term na to
ano
siya.
matagal na to.
Ah, okay.
2020, siguro magka 2 years na rin sila.
2-3 years, I think so.
So you think magbe-break ulit sila after on the third
Mas
year?
bata siya kay Charles. Anyways,
Ah.
galing nga silang bakasyon and then it's raining in Zandvoort. And during free practice sessions, I think most of them forgot how to drive around the track.
Ay, nakita ko may meme yun.
Oo nga,
Parang this is what
maraming-
happened when they came back
Kahit si
from
Hamilton
holiday.
dalawang beses nagdi-360.
Oo.
ganyan.
Was it 3-week holiday, isn't it?
3 weeks. 3 weeks. Almost 3 weeks. Yeah. And we have a breaking news na kailangan nating pag-usapan.
Oh, okay. That's
We called it here.
exactly correct.
So, Bottas and
and
Perez are
Perez,
announced to be the pair. Yes. So, any thoughts?
Nakita niyo ba yung ano?
Gusto ko yung kay Bottas.
Nakita niyo ba yung
Nagsisurf.
difference ng pagka-announce nila? Sobrang emotional nung kay Perez. Parang rags to riches ang
Redemption.
Oo,
Redemption
ganon.
arc.
Tapos si
Si
Bottas
Bottas,
parang
nasa
surf lang siya. Tapos inaano niya lang yung
Very
American
Australian.
flag. Oo.
Pero napanood ko yung yung interview ng Sky Sports kay Sergio. Sabi niya, I miss you guys. I'm back because I miss you guys. Sabi niya.
What? Ano ibig sabihin nun? Parang same team? Same...
Hindi sa yung sa press. Sky Sports.
kasi nga. Okay, gotcha. Yep.
Tapos parang
Back with a vengeance siya. And
yes. Parang kind of nagsasorry sa kanya yung mga yung press, yung mga
1 year lang naman siya nawala. This
1
year lang
year.
naman siya nawala.
Parang sabi, parang hindi na daw, parang did you feel relief and redeemed after yung performances ng mga drivers daw.
Na pumalit sa kanya
Na
sa
pumalit
Red
sa
Bull.
kanya na parang hindsight is a gift na ngayon daw na-realize nila na siya yung best second driver ng Red Bull. Because sabi niya, yes, I think now you can understand what I've been through. Sabi niya na parang the first few years, I've tried, I was close. Pero yun nga, kasi magaling din kasi si Max magbigay ng feedback. So precise siya magbigay ng feedback. So as the year progresses, lumayo yung second car. Hindi niya na kayang i-manage. Ganun. So parang hindi na daw secret yun. So, pero yung Cadillac, kinakausap na pala siya dati pa. Before pa siya umalis ng yung towards the end of his Red Bull career.
May question ako. Cadillac would be a new team.
A new team.
Pero US American
American team. So, dalawa na sila.
Ano yung isa has
So, ano daw, parang hindi siya agad nag-yes. Because he was really down the last time he was in Red Bull. And he kind of lost the love. He needs to reflect if he still misses it, if he still has the love for racing. So he didn't say yes right away to Cadillac. And yun, and he wanted to have a different project, a different story this time. So if he just goes back to another team, he's already done that. Like he's been with McLaren, and then Force India, and then Red Bull. So he's kind of done that. So he wanted a different team. So this one is a project because whatever he and Bottas will provide the team, it will help build the development ng team.
Oh, there you go.
Sobrang rin nung announcement nila. Sino ba yung nandun? Yung the guy in the end, hindi ko siya. Sino? Yung we've been waiting for you.
Siguro baka CEO or...
Hindi ko na sikat siya, artista daw siya.
Tingnan natin.
Si John Wick ba yun or something?
Si Keanu Reeves! Kilala mo siya na. Oh my God! JJ!
Guys, Jensen kasi ako. Ano ba naman?
No, not with Keanu Reeves.
Si John Wick.
Sabi ko nga sikat eh.
Hindi ko napanood talaga yung mismong
It's short naman, pero yun nga, in the end.
So bakit anong kinalaman ni Keanu?
Parang siya yung announcer.
Parang host.
Although si Keanu kasi, avid F1 fan.
Talaga?
Yes, there you go. Ang haba nun.
Ang haba nun? Si Sergio pa lang yun, hindi nyo pa na-recap si Bottas.
Si Bottas,
very lighthearted lang
siya. Very lighthearted lang siya. Although he was out, pero he's been in andun pa rin naman siya tuwing race weekend.
Ayun nga, sabi niyo, he was coaching Kimi.
So he's still going through the motions of being there in the race weekend.
Pero nakita ko yung interview niya.
Hindi lang siya nag-drive. Yeah. So, mas daw siya na gusto niyang mag-drive. Kasi siya
meron pa rin daw siyang hunger.
Ito yung tanong ko sa inyo. You may or may not know the answer. We can put it in our items to be unpacked or press. Why did Cadillac go for old drivers? No, I should not say experienced drivers. Sorry.
Ang take ko dyan is because they needed someone who knows F1, like who knows how to drive F1 cars.
Okay.
And with Perez and Bottas, they were there even before this era of aerodynamic. Kasi ito puro aerodynamic. Yung before nun yung engine, nag-switch nila to hybrid engine. So, mas experienced din sila sa mga engine. Yung 2026 na regulation, engine change din siya. So, yun yung mga nababasa ko. That's why they would go for experienced drivers.
I think it makes sense naman to go with the experienced drivers.
Important. Because they're not expecting to win. They won't win. But they needed to have that development path to get there. Parang they have the best guys if they go for the experienced drivers.
There you go. There you have it. Guys, ang ating resident analyst.
Analyst ko na.
No, it's really good.
Tinanong nga si Daniel Ricardo, di ba? Akala namin magka-Cadillac ka. Tapos sabi niya, I'm done.
Sinabi din nung
ganyan niya. Retired na daw siya.
Sinabi din ng owner ng Cadillac na if I have to convince a driver to drive for F1, he's not the driver for me.
Si Ricardo.
Okay.
Kind of sad, pero
parang nasira na talaga kasi yung mental health ni Dan.
He's done.
Yeah,
I like the guy. He's done.
So
yeah, I think
For our main topic for this episode, which is the
Dutch Grand Prix.
Yes.
Race recap. Let's do a race recap. So we know what happened naman because we've been messaging each other.
Exactly. For the purpose of our viewers, yes.
For the purpose of our viewers. So
Exciting to, no?
it was exciting. So let's start from qualifying. So it's a very exciting qualifying. It was Lando who's leading all throughout the practice sessions, and then when it mattered the most, Lando. When it mattered the most, Oscar managed to get the pole
As
position
always.
for only 0.012 seconds. So
Wow, sobrang
millimeter
Millimeter,
na sobrang. And then Max got the third place. So and Hajar,
Of course.
the most
baby boy.
surprising of the qualifying.
P4 siya.
P4.
Okay. Favorite.
Nagbunga yung kakabanggit mo kay Hajar.
Magmamatter na talaga si
Correct.
Hajar.
And actually, nag-register na yung niya sa akin, yung mukha niya. Kung sino siya. Si Hajar. Yes, now.
So the race.
Batang-bata!
Oo.
Sobrang bata.
Mas bata pa ba yung kay Kim?
Hindi.
Hindi,
Si Kim pa rin yung
Kim.
pinakalan. I think he's only 20. So race now.
Main race?
Yeah, main race. I'll just do highlights. Hindi ko na
Go.
So it was Piastri perfection. So gusto ko siyang i-highlight because I feel like
Perfection.
the coverage medyo na-eclipse siya nung nangyari kay Lando. Pero kaya gusto ko siyang i-highlight. It was Piastri perfection from pole to the checkered flag. He led every race. So pole, led every race, and even got the fastest lap. So Grand Chelem is what they said as the Gen Z call.
Chelem talaga.
Grand Chelem. Yes. So and because of what happened towards the end of the race, he's now got 34 points.
From 9 points, I think 9 points nung
It was
nag-usap
9
tayo.
points, so it was supposed to be just 16 points if they finish
Let
one.
me recalibrate my bet.
Now it's 34 points. But still, it's all to play for. 34 points is just 1.5 kind of race.
So, ba't lumaki na ganun? Where did Lando end up?
DNF.
DNF, my favorite acronym.
And then that's the second highlight. So Lando looked set to get P2.
Yep.
He was closing in on Piastri, and then he had a mechanical failure. I think it was oil leak or something with his.
Pero onting laps na lang, diba? Like 7 or something.
Yes, like 56. Lap 65.
Did he do something for that failure to happen or
No,
talaga?
it's out of his control. So he kind of it's out of his hands, so he just has to sit on a hill.
Heartbroken din.
Heartbreaking
Of
yun
course.
kasi wala.
But it was supposed to be just a 16-point gap after that. So, but it happens.
So, sino yung number 2?
So then Max got P2. So, ang galing ni Max. Ang galing din ng strategy ng Red Bull because they have to do something different to the McLarens, right? So, Max actually started with soft tires. The rest are in medium tires. And because he started with soft tires, he was able to overtake Lando.
On the outside of one McLaren, it won't be two because Piastri had to give him the chop, and that allows Lando Norris to fight back to second place, or does it? Around the outside and nearly dropping the car. Max Verstappen went all in to take P2.
Then,
P3.
it's Baby Hajar.
Hajar!
P3 talaga siya.
First ever podium of Isak Hajar. And
Ano to, second year niya to, diba?
First
First
year.
year.
First year.
First
Yes,
year.
yes, yes. So when I was watching the race, I was actually thinking, like, he had his first podium before Sonoda, before Liam Lawson, before Hamilton.
Let's not go there.
But
Hamilton.
Yuki has been there driving the
Yun nga, si
RB,
Yuki, though.
the racing
Ah,
All Star. He's been like 10, 11,
Yeah.
so sometimes getting into the points, but never the podium. But Hajar is fast. And he wasn't there because of just being lucky of the circumstance that Lando retired, right? He started fourth and he's looking to finish where he started fourth. He endured the pressure of Leclerc and even with George.
Yep.
Kudos to him.
There you go. Congratulations, Hajar.
Another good winner is Albon. So
I
finished
love that
P5.
guy.
So
Bacha winner.
Hmm?
Ano, where did he finish?
So P5.
Ah!
So, diba?
Highest ever niya? Hindi naman, diba?
He's been there.
Like
So,
around.
May chika dyan but later na.
Later, yeah.
With
Juicy?
Albon.
With Albon.
Babalik daw siyang Red Bull. May ganong chika.
Oh!
There's
there's
more.
more.
Kasi they might not sign up Sonoda for 20.
Yes, because they're not gonna be a Honda engine car by 2026.
So
And
hindi na sila tied up to.
Yes, Sonoda is Honda back
Yeah.
driver. I think Honda paid Red Bull for him to get fit.
Yep.
So yeah.
Tapos may head down na tie. So gusto
And
nila ng...
may part owner naman ng Red Bull is Thai.
Oo, nakita
So
ko yun.
gusto nila ng tie driver.
So, and
Watch that space. Yes. Things we need to keep an eye on.
So Albon,
Sino
and
pa?
then Bearman, Ollie Bearman from Haas. So he started in pit lane, finished 6th.
Anong ibig sabihin ng started at pit lane?
So hindi siya nag-start sa grid. Doon siya nag-start sa pit. Sa
May mga audience ko dito, guys.
Ay, Kuya Mar.
And then the Aston Martins, I think there's in the top 10, 7 and 8. 9 si Sonoda, 10 si Ocon.
Good day for rookies. Yan na.
Yes, but not for Antonelli though. So he's
So,
one of the
Parang
losers.
nagde-decline siya ngayon.
He was actually running a good race until he had that incident with Charles that got him a 10-second penalty. And then he had the pit lane, speeding in the pit lane penalty, so another 5 seconds. So 15 seconds penalty siya. Yung bata.
Yeah.
P6, then he ended up in 16.
Oh,
Yes.
heartbreaking.
Pero he was so aggressive with what he did with he tried to overtake, which no one is supposed to do.
Yeah.
But he did apologize. He went to the Ferrari hospitality. He apologized to Fred.
Okay.
Fred said,
Mababait itong mga
Kid.
baby boys.
pero pinagsabihan talaga siya ni Charles. Medyo nagsungit si Charles sa kanya. Sabi ni Charles parang, it's not a rookie mistake. You can make that mistake even if you're in your 5th year or 6th year because it's an ambitious move.
Oh, wow. Lalim ni Charles.
Big word.
Oh, no.
So
Okay.
he needs to learn when to hold back.
Yeah.
May reaction ba si Toto or wala?
Meron kasi ito na. Umpisa na ba natin yung
Ano to?
kasi before mabangga ni Kimi si Charles.
Yeah.
There was a race restart tapos si George is ahead of Charles. Tapos in-overtake ni Charles. It was an aggressive overtake.
They bang wheels and barging through is Charles Leclerc. Wow. It's got so much work to do though, from this far back. No way around the outside. Holds it.
Yeah, then he doesn't let the space. He cannot complain.
Tapos si George, Karen as always.
Dali lang. Ang saya naman. Pag kay Charles talaga
Antonelli.
At Karen as always daw si
Karen
George.
as always. Nagre-reklamo na naman siya na he overtook me off track, parang gano'n. Pero
Ito towards Charles to.
Towards Charles, side by side. Kasi
Kaya ayaw
will
mo,
bang-
George.
will banging sila. He's so Karen kasi. Tapos si Charles, alam niya na siguro na magre-reklamo si
George.
George. So, sabi din siya, he didn't give me space. He didn't leave me space, so he can't complain. Parang gano'n. Tapos, yun nga, tapos biglang after no, nabangga na ni Kimi si Charles.
Yep.
So sabi ni Toto, hindi na daw nila irereklamo yung overtake ni Charles kay George. Kasi nga, nasira din naman ni Kimi yung race ni Charles, parang gano'n.
Parang quits na lang.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh well, yan. So yun, so, and Hamilton, DNF as well. So, it was, kasi it was
Double
risky.
DNF.
Ferrari double DNF. I'm over it.
Kamusta ka?
I'm looking forward to the next one na. Pero he DNF because it was slippery, kind of slippery. And then he went to the paint. And then, yun na, he lost.
Di ba may seconds violation din siya that will...
Ito, isa pa yung nakakainit ng ulo. Ito pa.
Passionate po siya pagdating sa Ferrari.
Leclerc lang.
Na-penalty siya. Hamilton has a 5th place grade penalty in Monza.
Ayun
Next
nga,
race.
naman.
Because they said he didn't slow down during the yellow flag.
Yes.
Papasok ng pit lane.
Oo.
But this happened before the race. And it took them the whole race bago pa sila nag-decide na may penalty.
May
si
penalties.
Hamilton.
Yeah.
Yes.
So, tapos na yung chances nila sa Monza. Charot.
Hoy!
I'm just joking.
Yes. So anyways,
Marami na yung dinadasalan.
So, nakakainis. Tapos, ito pang isa pang nakakainis. Ito.
Yes, we're
there's
We're
an incident between Carlos and your favorite driver, Liam Lawson.
Oh my God!
So,
sige.
si Carlos was outside and si Liam was inside. Everyone knows when you watch this
Sandali,
video.
let's consider Carlos na pinag-uusapan natin.
Carlos
Sainz.
Sainz.
Si Sainz.
Diba?
Okay, yep.
It's Carlos and then it's Liam.
Yep.
Ganyan. So, ganyan sila. Tapos, nag-understeer si Liam. Bumangga siya kay Carlos. At ang na-penalty, si Carlos. 10-second penalty. So, hindi ko alam kung anong hinihit ng stewards during that race. Iba yung stewarding nila nung race na yun.
Kitang-kita mo na yung ranking niya, ate. Leclerc, Sainz,
Kaya nga.
the rest.
Hamilton, isama mo na.
Galit na galit si Sainz.
So, hindi mo sila magka-team?
Hindi, si Liam is Racing Bull. Si Sainz is William.
There you go.
Galit na galit siya, sabi niya. It's always this driver.
Oh my God.
Hindi ko alam kung ano meron kay Liam sa mga Spanish-speaking drivers.
Hindi mo alam kung ano meron kay Liam.
Anong meron?
That's it for the Dutch Grand Prix.
It delivered.
Yes. Any favorite moments with the drama, send via... At ikaw ang nanood. Send via ikaw yung nanood.
Ako yung nanood.
Anong favorite moments mo from the...
Ang favorite ko, yung napasigaw talaga ako nung nanood ako, was the overtake of Charles.
Tatanungin pa ba natin yung
Kaya
favorite moment niya?
I think you would see yung...
Yes.
Yung
overtake niya doon.
That was, sobrang ganda nun. Parang bihira na kasi yung ganong racing. Yung ganon. Tapos biglang nag-modeling na lang siya in the end. So anyways.
Yes.
Ako favorite ko si Hadjar, of
course.
course. Tapos yung na-break pa yung
Nasira
trophy
yung
niya.
trophy.
Pero sobrang memorable nun.
Marami daw nagbigay sa kanya na super glue. Pero I think bibigyan siya ng bago.
Pero ayaw niya nung bago niya. Gusto niya daw yung dalawa niyang
nasira niya.
trophy.
Alam ba siya uminom ng 20 years old na siya o hindi rin?
I don't know.
I don't know.
Depende
Okay.
kasi sa country kung ano.
Okay.
They're in Netherlands, diba?
There you have it, guys. So, anong next race?
Next race is in...
Ayun na, ilabas mo na
the
yung flag mo.
home of Ferrari.
Tinakpan talaga.
It's gonna be the Italian GP in
Yes.
Monza. It's
Okay.
Monza.
So, tatanong pa ba namin ng prediction?
Last year, Charles won in Monza.
Okay.
He started P3. May nangyaring incident may nagbanggaan, tapos biglang
Hindi ko na maalala.
Siya yung first.
Really? Okay. So you think he'll still be...
No. I think Lando will bounce back. I think ang prediction ko. And to make that hope ko na rin para exciting.
Yan, pack natin yan sa
championship. Lando, then Oscar, then Charles.
Una mo si Lando.
Oo.
The betrayal.
Sino yung number 2 last year sa Monza?
I need to review.
Okay, sorry.
Sabi nga nila, may dalawa daw religion ng Italians. Ferrari and
Catholicism.
Yeah.
So, sino prediction mo?
Oscar pa din.
Oscar pa din.
Oscar. Tingnan natin si Hamilton.
Umasa din siya!
Hindi, kasi di ba may practice, may ano yun?
Yes,
free practice.
P1.
Gagayahin ko na yun sa practice. Sino yung number 3 doon?
Si Sainz.
Si Sainz?
Sigurado ka?
Alam eh.
Sure ka.
Sige, this is wala akong dahil gusto ko lang talaga si Max.
Nung lumabas yung FP1, asang-asa na to.
Si Max sa akin, sa'yo si Lando.
Ako Lando.
And then sa'yo si Piastri.
Totoo kang Lando.
I think he will bounce
Since
back.
when?
I think
Kaya
he will
nga,
bounce
alam ko
back.
sasabihin
Lalo
si
na.
Charles.
Let's unpack it in the next
Yes,
episode.
okay.
But I believe Lando will bounce back. And I need him to bounce back to make this championship exciting.
Si
Okay.
Lando. Para mahabol niya yung 34
Yes.
points. That's a good point.
Okay.
Kasi I think kay Lando pa rin ako to win the final one. Pero we'll see.
Challenge upset.
Exactly, correct.
What do you guys think?
Exactly.
Yes.
Put your comments or send us some messages kung sino yung bets niyo for the Italian race. There you have it, our second episode.
Like and subscribe.
Follow
Follow us on Instagram.
Yes,
Grandstand
Grandstand
Gossip.
Gossip.